Hi, in this video we will see how to share your Videomeet room invitation. You can maneuver to desired room. Videomeet room invite can be shared by clicking on the share button at the right corner of your desired meeting room. The invitation template includes 4 links. Meeting joining link, which is unique and permanent for every Videomeet room. If user wants to join the meeting from mobile or iPad, this is the link to install app on Android or iOS devices. Participants can also add meeting in their respective calendars and watch tutorial videos for comprehensive assistance. You can send the invitation template to partakers by clicking on send mail if you have the email address of all the panelists, or you can simply copy the invite and send them on mail, WhatsApp or text message as per your convenience. So now as a participant, when I receive the invite, I can click on the joining link. It will redirect me to the meeting joining page. I have to just specify my display name and click on join and start to enter the meeting room.